As you guys can guess, we're out on the water today. So we came onto Fields Landing. Hadn't used this boat ramp before. Seems like a pretty nice place. We're in Georgia. We're about to head out onto this river / I think it goes into Allatoona Lake. So we're gonna just drive around for a bit. Here we go as normal. We got Hardcore Colt up there. He's gangster with his hat on backwards. We got Cheyenne. And we got Piper. There we go. We got a smile out of her. We got Cooper. Everybody's got their life vests on. And we're about to get out of here. So we'll get you some footage as we drive around.
We are on our first mission. Nothing exciting yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got the driving. The best YouTuber. He's gonna jump a race. So you have to get this.
This is live trying to find somewhere to park. So Brett's hooking up to the tree. That's probably what I should have done as well. This is a big side-by-side muddy area. So anyways, I want to find, there's nothing.
Also, you can tell it's for side-by-sides because all of these marks and then these marks from like tires and stuff.
I'm just going to pull the anchor up here.
Dad, if the anchor is long enough, you actually know because that would take it the away thing for side-by-sides.
Pull that out for me a little bit, Coop. A little bit. Put it in that mud hole.
Okay.
In the mud hole. In the mud hole. You don't have, I didn't mean to throw it, but.
It's gonna be.
All right, that's good.
It's gonna be deep. Doing that? No. I'm gonna do it. That thing's stuck now.
All right, anchor's in the up positions, and we are good. So we'll check out the spot for a little bit. If I don't fall, then we'll figure out where to go next. Live poop.
Dad, you're gonna have a lot of trouble getting that anchor out.
No, I won't.
I'll pull it out first try.
Go ahead.
I'll have more trouble cleaning it than I will getting it out. Man, look at the tracks from coming out of this mud hole. They got some ruts in that one.
Dad, can I get the anchor out?
Well, not till we leave.
Is it good if there's no ruts or what?
I want to get in the water. This is very
Yeah,
dirty.
this isn't a good spot for it.
Very dirty right here.
I was trying to say this.
That's all logs sticking out. What beauty. But
should just bust her.
yeah, he should just like.
Well, actually, you
go
can't
ham.
because you're going up.
Oh yeah, what is he gonna do?
Yeah, like. If you're like this, how is he? No way. If he jumps all those big rocks.
Oh, just fell.
Effortless.
Oh, my stomach is about to puke. I feel sick.
No, before that, just right here by this tree, all the ripples in the water.
Piper, we just got here.
Yeah.
After this spot we're trying on.
I said let's jump that log pile right there.
That's cool. If you look straight ahead, it looks majestic. Coming up on that log jam, I don't know if it got videoed the first time, but we're coming up on it. I'll pick up the camera when we're there. We're not there yet, but I'll just video it. And then when tree. Isn't this kind of cool though? This is the like funnest thing we've done on the boat. It's like cold and chilly. It's like cold and chilly, and it's like mixed. It's like freezing, and the water like sometimes splashes up. I think we're about there. Yep, we're there. I see it. Dad, there it is. I have to video this whole thing. I'm sorry. I keep like looking around, so it looks weird.
It will not be that easy for us, guys.
I think you should take the same way.
Yeah, I should. Barrett, hey.
Wait,
You're gonna go through the trees, okay? Pay attention.
I'm gonna cut this because we're gonna go through some trees. I just got smacked
This is much better.
with a train. Look how close we are.
Oh my gosh, step on that spider. Oh dang. Oh, that thing had some. Oh, whoa, dude.
These are a lot of trees stacked up on top.
You wanna get
Yeah, we're gonna be okay, guys. You guys alright?
Yeah.
I cut the camera because I had help with pushing off. It can, it's just like, well, he's not trying to move it, he's trying to like push off of it.
Do what? No, I'm so close. I'm just on top of this one.
I got you.
If you want.
Cooper, I need you and.
Oh.
Stacy. Nope.
Cannonball!
Ooh,
Whoa.
I videoed that.
Well, it's hard because my props. I got to keep lifting the props, so I can't.
Are you
maintain
excited?
speed.
Yeah. I mean, it was,
Bet, what about you?
it was better. No! It was better
Oh.
than the first time coming. But honestly,
Piper, what about you?
I'm really lucky with the
Maybe you can be the second version of Donald Trump.
Whoa, we have a tree in the boat. Wait, no, keep that there. Keep that there.
No, don't touch it.
I'm just trying to get it out of the way so I can spin the prop. Do what? I said, I think you were born to
I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a cave. There's a pop basketball. Did it! Almost. I think I'd say we did it.
No, we
go.
did. Yay!
We did it. We're gonna race. There he is. That was amazing. I wish we had a boat like that. I feel like he's trying to do a 360. That boat is so impressive. I like hit him with me. He's drifting in the water. That boat is so cool. Whoa. Look at him. Whoa. Wow. Well, we made it. We made it all back in one piece. We're pulling up to the boat. There's a kayaker out here.
Well, we just got it out of the water. We just got to give this guy props here. Hold on. Check out that ride. Pulling the boat trailer. All right, kids. Now we're all wrapped up. What do y'all think?
That was fun.
What, did y'all have fun?
It was pretty fun.
Would you do it again?
Yes. I mean, I'll do most of it again.
So we were going down the creek. The video that you see is we were headed toward a cannonball factory that we were told out there. I'm not too sure if the guy was lying or not, but anyways, pretty cool, pretty cool. So we're gonna head on home from here. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Talk to y'all later.